with potentially catastrophic consequences. Cloudflare, a company most internet users rarely think about, plays a crucial role in keeping the web running smoothly. It acts as a content delivery network, caching website data closer to users and protecting against cyber attacks. When Cloudflare falters, the ripples are felt across the internet. In July 2020, a misconfigured software update caused a major outage at Cloudflare. The incident disrupted access to a vast swathe of websites and services, from popular social media platforms to essential business tools. The outage exposed the hidden dependencies that underpin our online world. The Cloudflare outage underscored the interconnectedness of the internet. It demonstrated how a single point of failure could bring down a vast network of seemingly unrelated websites and services, highlighting the importance of robust and resilient infrastructure. The impact of internet outages extends